Edward Laos. Welcome to Travel Talk, filmed at the Peachtree Rose Marketing Studios and hosted by the hotel guide publisher, Edward Laos.
Welcome to Travel Talk. I'm Edward Laos, CEO and publisher of the Hotel Guide. For more than 3 decades, the Hotel Guide is focused on showcasing exceptional hotels and meaningful travel experiences built on trust, relationship, and editorial integrity. Today's episode marks an important evolution for us. We've officially partnered with a luxury booking engine powered by our alignment with Boutique Travel Advisors, a respected luxury travel agency network. I wanted to share why we did this, what it means for travelers, and how you can benefit. This isn't a sales pitch. It's a conversation about how luxury travel should work. One of the things is the problem. Luxury travel has become noisy. What used to be personal and relationship driven is now transactional. Endless listings, price platforms. Travelers are left guessing whether a hotel will truly deliver. Discounts replaced with discernment. Volume replaced value. At the Hotel Guide, we believe luxury isn't about paying less. It's about experiencing more. Why did we partner with them? We didn't just add a booking link. We intentionally aligned with Boutique Travel Advisors because they operate the same way we do. And that's going to be relationship driven. Hugely important to us. Experience focused, even more important to us. And they are value oriented and not discount led, which is massively important. This partnership allows us to bridge editorial authority with professional travel agency experiences, giving our audience access to curated hotels, preferred perks, and trusted booking support. It's not mass travel, it's considered travel. How are the guests going to benefit? Which is you. This is where it becomes real for travelers. You get to have curated luxury hotels. You're choosing from properties vetted through relationships and not algorithms. Preferred value. Through our alignment with Boutique Travel Advisors, travelers may receive the following. Added amenities, which we all love and have. Priority consideration for upgrades. Everybody wants to have a good upgrade in their property. Benefits not available on public booking sites. That's important too. You're going to get the best right here. And confidence and support. You're booking through a trusted agency relationship backed by the Hotel Guide's editorial standards. This isn't about saving money. It's about maximizing the experience. And what does it mean for our hotel partners and in the industry? Well, importance is this partnership matters for hotels too. Hotels benefit from guests who are really understand the brand. That's really important. Understanding the brand. They value the experience. Experience is what really is happening nowadays. You arrived with aligned expectations as you're getting to your property. And this is how hotels protect rate integrity and compete on value, not price. A philosophy shared by both the Hotel Guide and Boutique Travel Advisors. The simple thing, how are you going to use this? Visit our booking link in our show notes. We'll have that in there for sure. You can kind of search by destination or hotel, even cruises or villas. Booking through our luxury booking experience aligned with Boutique Travel Advisors. No memberships, just fun. No gimmicks, just straight to the point. Where just trusted travel planning is right there for you. You have the ability to actually speak to an advisor as well. This partnership represents the next chapter for the Hotel Guide. And by aligning with Boutique Travel Advisors, we're elevating how our audience books travel, supporting great hotels, and delivering better guest experiences. If you're planning to travel this year, start with the hotels that we trust and the company that we align with as well. You can find everything out on thehotelguide.com and really start your journey to book your next experiential travel, whether that's a luxury property, a boutique property, cruises, or villas even. And we even have tours aligned in there for any cities that you go to. You can already get those paid for as well. So this is really an exciting time for us. I'm thrilled that we're able to kind of go out there and do this for our readers, for our listeners, and for our guests that come to the Hotel Guide. But after 33 years in business, we felt this was the right time, the right company, and the right opportunity for us to go out there and align with Boutique Travel Advisors and to be able to bring you the best hotels, the best cruises, the best villas, and the best experiences. So again, follow us at thehotelguide.com. You can actually see your booking link there and get your travel started. But like we always like to say when we're ending our show, travel, make memories, and now you have no reason not to. Everybody take care, and we'll talk soon.